Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn exactly how to create a playlist on Spotify, all of the different options that you have on iPhone or iOS devices. So what you want to do is basically find the Spotify app on your iOS device. For me it's on this page right here, and I've got the home page. From there you want to go to the Your Library page in the bottom right, click that, and then the top right of this page is a plus icon. And that is where your playlists options will show up. The very first one in the list, build a playlist with songs or episodes. Click that, and that's going to give you the option to name your playlist. For me, I'm going to type in playlist example and then the green button create. And this is your playlist right here. From there, you want to click the add to this playlist white button in the middle and start adding different songs. You can go to the search function, type in any artist you like. I'll type in Drake, and it's going to give you albums, singles, popular. The plus symbol on the right side of the song is where you add each individual song. So I'm going to do that there, add that first one, add some similar ones. Spotify gives us the option to add similar songs. And then I'm going to exit out of this page in the top left with the X. So this is our playlist right here. We've got a few different songs. What I would suggest doing is hitting the download button in the middle left. It'll turn green. And when all of the individual songs have this green download button symbol, that means that the song has been downloaded on your device and you do not need to have an internet connection to listen to the song. If you want to start playing the songs in your Spotify playlist, you can press the button, the green and black play button on the middle right hand side, or on the bottom right on the song title. There's a white play button as well, and that will start playing the song. If you want the song to next in order, keep off shuffle, but then you can press this button in the middle, and that's the two arrows sort of intersecting. That's the shuffle button. If you press that and then hit next to the song, the order will be very, very random. So there you go. Other options, the button next in the middle next to the green download button, it's basically a silhouette with a plus symbol. Hit that, and that will give you access to basically share your playlist to stories or copy the link. You can send it on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and you can essentially invite collaborators to update your playlist and add songs and have multiple people on one playlist. From there, you can go to the three little dots button in the middle of the playlist. And this is going to give you all of the different options for the playlist. You can add more songs, remove download, edit. The third option down will give you all of the different options for if you want to rename your playlist, like here, I'm going to rename it to playlist 1. And the top there, you can change the playlist cover, the description. You can also change the order of the songs as well. And then make sure to save in the top right. Okay, one more thing. Let's say that you're listening to a random playlist and a song comes up that you like. Let's say it's Blame It On Me by George Ezra. You can go in here to the three dot button on the right side of the title. Click that. Then the second option down, add to playlist. Playlist 1. Tap that, press the green done button, and that's going to add your song to the playlist. There it is. In this other example playlist that I have, Blame It On Me by George Ezra. Okay guys, well that's everything on how to create a playlist on Spotify on iOS. If you enjoyed this video, my name's Andrew, and this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel.